Alright guys, in today's video here, I'm going to show you a really good method, a good side hustle that you can put about $50 per day into your PayPal account or your bank account with 3 apps. It'll pay you straight to your PayPal and or to your bank account as well. So if this sounds good to you, these apps are really good. You're going to want to stick around and see this. And we're going to get started on here right now. Of course, for those of you that are new to my videos and this is your first time here to my channel or watching my videos, well, reach down there right now below the video while you're thinking about it. Click that subscribe button and don't forget to click that little notification bell so that you get notified of when I upload new videos and you can come and take advantage of it immediately. Alright, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on this, guys. I've got 3 apps here I want to show you that you can create a really good little side hustle with and put about $50 per day possibility into your account if you take action on what I'm going to show you here. So the first application we're going to come over here to is called TV-2. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's TV-2.com. And what this is an app that's good for, you can see it right here, it's good for smart TVs, Samsung, LG smart TVs, iOS, and Android phones. And these are a lot of the businesses that have worked with this particular application as well. And what this is you can watch videos of whatever videos you want to watch and earn cryptocurrency here with this, and earn cryptocurrency in Bitcoin or Ethereum. And you can also do other things to boost your earnings as well, like it says right here. And if we scroll down just a little bit farther down here, you can get a little idea about how it works here. It says here how to use the TV2 app. You download the TV2 app for your Samsung or LG smart TV as well as your iOS, Android smartphone. And no TV, it says no problem. Just use the app on your phone. And then you can link different devices, and then you can just lean back and you don't have to do nothing, guys. These apps I'm going to show you are basically just lock and load, and that's it, and let it roll. Okay, so as you can see right here, you just lean back and earn cryptocurrency while you're watching TV, and you can see here you're earning Ethereum tokens right here, guys, as well as probably Bitcoin as well. And you can sort of see what goes on right here just a little bit. This is a really good system right here. Watch videos and earn rewards, and that's users receive crypto for their shared data and attention. So that's one app, and here it is over here, guys, on the Play Store right here. You can see it. It's TV2 Watch and Earn Rewards and get Bitcoin and Ethereum, you see here. And as you can see right down here, this app has a 4.7 star rating, guys, out of 413,000 reviews. 4.7 is really good. You can see that people are really happy with this particular application right here. So this is a good one to get started with right here, when you can just watch videos or let the videos run on your phone. In fact, the more devices that you do this on, the more chance that you're going to have to earn even more money. And they do also have, I believe they have a referral on here too. You can get referrals and get a piece of the pie off of your referrals money as well. Alrighty, and that's the first app called TV2 Watch and Earn Rewards, get Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the next app number 2 that I want to show you here, guys, is called Cash for Minutes. It says right here, get paid for making phone calls. Cash for Minutes is a unique service that allows you to earn cash with your monthly unused phone minutes simply by listening to internet radio broadcasts. And as you can see right here, that they have already paid out over $11 million since 2014. Guys, this has been around for a long time here, quite a few years, and there's about 118,000 people that are using this app to make some extra money as well. And you can see right here some of the features of it. Says here, sound too good to be true. And all you have to do is check your inclusive minutes with your fixed or mobile phone provider and VoIP service and start calling for cash. And they can have a referral program, as you see right here. They have speedy payments right here, guys. You can choose from weekly or monthly payments by either bank transfer, PayPal, Bitcoin, Amazon vouchers, or to your chosen charity. If you want to give money to a charity, you can also do that as well. And they have a refer a friend here, and you will earn money from them too. As the people that whatever they listen to, you're going to make money off of what they listen to as well. It says here sort of how does it work here. It says all you got to do is sign up, and sign up right here on this site. We click right here. It says sign up, guys, and set your unique user profile and add all the numbers you'll be dialing from. And it says access numbers. Choose a number to dial, making sure you always perform a short test call to check you're not being charged. And then you just simply get paid, reap the benefits of all that extra cash, when all you'll be doing is basically listening to radio on your phone, and you can just let it play, and you don't even have to listen to it, and let it play, and you'll be earning money over and over and over. So again, it's basically set it and forget it, and you're done. Earn money. That's what we call passive income, guys. It's money that you're earning, and you don't have to do anything to earn it. Pretty good deal, in my opinion. And then they've got a little user guide here that'll show you how to do it. And basically, if you have unlimited phone minutes, well, you're going to be right in there, no problem, because you can use your minutes, and it just go on and on and on, and continue to earn money to your PayPal account. And it says here, it talks about some of the testimonies of what people think about it right here, and so on and so forth. So that's the second one I wanted to show you. So you'll want to come over here to cashforminutes.com. You see it right up here, guys, in the address bar right here. Minutes.com. You see it right there. And then come over and you can check out this site as well. And you can just sign up right here on the site. And then the third app that I want to show you here that you can make some really good money with, guys, is this one right here. It's called App Karma. You see it right here up here in the address bar, guys. It's appkarma.io. You see it right there. And then you can see here it's earn rewards playing with apps. It's free. It says here complete offers to earn rewards, then redeem your points for PayPal or top brand gift cards. And it's available on iOS and Android both. All of these that I've showed you should be available on both iOS and Android, right? And then if you install it, just by installing this app, look here, guys, you got a bonus. Just by installing the app, you're going to get 300 points right off the bat, and 100 points is equal to $1. So they're going to pay you $3 right off the bat just for installing and setting up your account in this application. And then what you'll basically be doing, they have referral rewards here, guys. And if you right here, it says share your invite link or referral code and earn 30% of what your referrals earn. So that's a way you'll be able to earn even more money as well. And it's Karma Plays lets you earn daily rewards for playing with the apps you've already installed on App Karma on this particular application. And you get achievement badges and so on and so forth. And this is a really good one too. If we come over here to the Google Play Store, guys, you can see it right here. It's App Karma Rewards and Gift Cards. And you can see that if I scroll up here, look, this one has a 4.1 rating out of 330,000 reviews, guys. This is a pretty good application as well. You can see right here, this person, Kaylee, says it's a great app for earning gift cards. Customer service was extremely helpful when I was not rewarded. I definitely recommend you try this. And Cash Karma, it says I have cashed out $35 in Amazon gift cards so far. It says don't listen to the negative reviews. It is worth giving it a try, guys. So what you want to do is you want to come over here and you can install this app right here, and or you can come to the website and get it here, and you can begin earning rewards playing with the apps on your phone in your spare time. I mean, this is, guys, this is not something that's going to make you rich, but this is a way, and these three apps, as you can see, this is a way to make some extra spending money here. I mean, it's a quick and easy way to make good extra spending money. You might be able to make around $50 per day if you work it and let it do its thing in the background while you're off doing your own thing somewhere like that, so on and so forth. So make sure you come over, guys, take action on this. Get the TV2 app here installed on your phone, and also you want to do the cash for minutes here and do the app Karma as well, and do all three of those, and you should be able to make some pretty good side hustle money on the side. Alrighty, guys, also if you really want to see how you can learn how to make $1,000 in 1 day's possibility, you want to reach down there also where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and see what it is that I do, and it will show you how to be a high ticket affiliate marketer as well, just like so many of the rest of us are getting good rewards with that as well. So come over and check that out. Click that mentorwithkev.com link down there in the top of my description. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. That's the video I had for you today. A good way to make a side hustle money, make some good money on the side there for you to give some extra spending money in your bank account. Guys, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget also to click that subscribe button and click that little notification bell there right beside it so you get notified. And like I said, don't forget to click the mentorwithkev.com down there and come over and watch my free video presentation. And also, if you guys have any comments or questions about this video, just leave them down below down there in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Alrighty, guys, well, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye now.